Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Liz. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a really cute Thanksgiving craft that you can do. I got everything at the dollar store besides the wine bottle. But I thought this is a super cute idea if you are, decorating for Thanksgiving, or even if you're going to like a Thanksgiving party, this would be really cute to bring. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as part of my internet fam. And that is all, you guys. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm using a bottle of wine that I already finished, of course. So I'm gonna try to get the label off. And the best way that I do that is, see how easy it's peeling off right now? I literally have just been having it soak in hot water for like a half hour, and then the label is just gonna peel right off. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. Okay, so just a little tip, if you have like a few little parts that aren't coming off, and you know how sometimes like tags leave a little bit of a sticky residue, I love Goo Gone. If you've never tried it, it works amazing. It takes the goo right off. So all I do is just spray. I'll let it sit for a minute and then literally just wipe it off and it like comes off. Super awesome, works great. Okay, so you're going to need paint brushes. You're going to need an empty wine bottle, some fake leaves. You're gonna need some paint. I am going with a light brown. I got white, and then just a kit of a couple different colors. You're gonna need a hot glue gun, some glue, and that is it. We are ready to make our little turkey wine bottle. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is paint the whole entire wine bottle the color of your choice. So you could do a darker brown, but I'm gonna go with this light brown, which I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna open this bad boy up, squirt some on my plate, and then I'm just gonna take a little sponge brush and I'm just going to paint the whole entire bottle. So I will speed you guys up until we are ready for the next step. Okay, so little update. I got the first coat on, so I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna do one more coat so the brown is just a little bit thicker, and then we will move on to the next step. Pick a side that looks really good, that you like the best, and then you're gonna add two big white circles. Okay, next up we are adding eyebrows. So we're gonna take black paint and we're just gonna draw on an eyebrow right on top of the eyeballs. Okay, moving on to the nose, I'm just drawing a triangle in a dark brown colored paint. And then I'm gonna draw his little gobbler in red. Just start at the top of the nose and work your way down and make his little gobbler thing. And then moving on to his feet, I'm drawing 3 brown lines on each side. So these are his little turkey feet. Okay, now we are going to add our pupils. So once the white circles are completely dry, go ahead and take some black paint, and then you're just gonna do 2 little dots, one in each eye. And this really makes the turkey kind of come together and start looking like an actual turkey. Okay, so now for the fun part, you're gonna go ahead and take those fake leaves and your hot glue gun, and you're just gonna start gluing the leaves on however you want. I try to make it a little bit thicker on the bottom, with more leaves, and then as you go up, less leaves, so it kind of looks like his feathers. it turned out really cute. It was still drying, so it looked a little patchy, but I think this would be adorable as Thanksgiving decor, or like I said earlier, if you're going to a Thanksgiving party, just to give this to the host as you walk in would be super cute. This would also be fun for your kids to try as well. Obviously, you would have to help them, but alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye!